To apply a Klarna promo code, start by visiting the Klarna website or opening the Klarna app on your device. If you are a new user, sign up for a Klarna account by providing the required information such as your name, email address, and payment details. If you already have an account, log into your existing account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the payment section where you can manage your purchases and payments. Look for the field that says promo code or discount code and click on it to enter your code. Carefully type in the promo code you received from Klarna, making sure to enter it exactly as it appears, including any capital letters or numbers. Some promo codes may have specific requirements, such as a minimum purchase amount, so be sure to review the terms and conditions before applying the code. After entering the promo code, click the Apply button to see the discount reflected in your purchase total. If the code is valid and meets the requirements, the discount will be applied and you can proceed with the payment. It is essential to note that promo codes can only be used once per customer, and they may have expiration dates, so be sure to use them before they expire. Also, some promo codes may not be combinable with other offers or discounts, so review the terms and conditions carefully before applying the code. By following these steps, you can successfully apply a Klarna promo code and enjoy discounts on your purchases. Always review the terms and conditions of the promo code to ensure you understand the requirements and any limitations.